Good Wednesday evening, all. It's about 7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. My goodness, World Cup today. Germany lost against Japan. Plenty of tofu there. Oh! 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 Germany lost to Japan. And blinking, well, on Spain. Ooh. They won well against, move over England. They won well against Costa Rica. 7-0. And what was the other one? Well, I know Canada are playing Belgium now. It's half an hour gone. Belgium, and they're a classy team these days, are struggling against Canada. Oh, what was the other game? I only looked at the bloody latest scores and results of them just a minute ago. Was it 0-0 again? I think it was a 0-0 result, was it? Oh, I don't know. Oh, PMQs today. Sunak. Oh my God. And before that, ruling that Scotland can't hold a referendum to decide if they want to become independent from the UK. That is very disturbing. That is super, ultra, very disturbing. You know what that means? Where UK, HQ in London, England, is akin to 1930s Nazi Germany after 1932. That is a very fascist ruling by the court that they're not allowed to hold a referendum. They were within their rights. They were promised all this nonsense in 2014 that to stay in the UK means you stay in the EU. So they said, okay then, we'll go for that. And what happened 2 years later? England mainly voted to leave the EU. So they went in within their rights. So this country's going so far right. It's almost falling off the edge of the earth. And I've been reading what other countries have been saying about this ruling. And the funniest one of all, most ironic one of all, was really going, you what? It's Germany itself. Thank God I could speak a bit of German. They're going Albert, what's Scotland in German? Albania. Yeah, Albania. Not Albania. Albania in Scotland. Not Albania. And there we are. Have a good evening.